So my brother and I found this log while we were out on the street. It was just lying on the side of the road, and we decided to pick it up and put it in the car. It's some sort of hardwood, maybe maple. But anyway, today we're gonna cut it down to where this crack here ends. We're gonna seal the end grain with some latex paint so it can dry evenly and won't crack at the ends or make any annoying splits in the wood. And hopefully we'll be able to get some nice boards out of this log in the future. So this is just some leftover latex paint that was used on our house. Sealing the ends of the log like this prevents moisture from escaping the ends of the log quicker than the rest of the log, which just prevents splitting. And I'm just going to store the log under our deck and let it dry for a couple of years. Thanks for watching.